Are you ready to unlock a world of streaming? Today, we're diving into how to download IPTV Smarters Pro on your Firestick. First, let's talk about why you should consider this app. IPTV Smarters Pro offers a user-friendly interface and supports multiple formats, making it a top choice for many users. To get started, make sure your Firestick is ready. Navigate to Settings, then My Fire TV, and enable apps from unknown sources. This is crucial for downloading third-party apps. Now let's install Downloader from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open Downloader and enter the IPTV Smarters Pro APK link. Click Download, and wait for the file to finish downloading. After that, simply click Install to add it to your Firestick. But it's not all perfect. Some users might face buffering issues or a learning curve when navigating the app. Overall, if you want a powerful streaming experience, IPTV Smarters Pro is worth trying out. Now enjoy endless entertainment right from your living room.